Hey, it's Krista with WTI. You want to stop flushing your funds down the toilet? Well, say goodbye to toilet paper by introducing the Samodra cold water bidet to your household. I really appreciate the sleek design and simplicity of this bidet control panel. It has easy to understand picture instructions so that you know how to adjust the water pressure when you're using it, and you're also able to know how to control the self-cleaning feature, the front wash, the rear wash, etc. Even some guests have come to our home and were really impressed, thinking it was such a huge luxury upgrade, when in reality it was really just a simple addition to give that luxurious feel. There have really been so many benefits to adding bidets to our restrooms, and if you're looking to save a little cash, stay hygienic, and make your restroom feel a little more luxurious, you will love this Samodra non-electric cold water bidet. And that's my point